Yeah, good morning GSS3 students. Happy weekend. Remember, before the miscellaneous questions, we have been dealing with difference of two squares. It is not only on algebraic expressions that we can use difference of two squares. We can use difference of two squares to trash questions like this when we have values like this. Now let's take a look at number 1. 89 square minus 90 square. Of course, when you expand, when you say 89 times 89, then minus 9 times 9. I know this is what most of you will do. You will still get the same answer, but it is quicker and faster whenever you set your eyes on questions like this. What do? You just do difference of two squares. Use the difference of two square methods. Now let's look at number 1. 89 square minus 9 square. With the method of difference of two squares, I can just simply say pick 89, just one value, then pick 9 minus 9 in one bracket, and then in the other bracket pick the other 89 and then plus. Remember, difference of two squares goes with different signs, plus and minus. Then pick the other 9. Subtract this, what will I have? I'll have 80. And then add this, what will I have? I'll have 98. Then having this, I can just simply multiply and get my answer. This one is easier than going through the process of multiplying this, and then subtracting. Now let's take a look at this. The short way, 98 times, remove the 0, 8. 8 times 8 will give me, put your 0 first as your answer. 8 times 8 will give me 64, then you write down 4, you carry 6. 8 times 9 will give me 72. 72 plus 6 will give me 78. So here, my final answer is 7,840. Now let's take a look at number 2. 81 minus 7 squared. 81 minus 7 squared. Now look at this properly. You realize that there is no square on top of this. You only have 81 here and you have 7 squared. First, if you look at 81, it's a perfect square, which means it has a perfect square root. What is the square root of 81? I believe you know it's 9. So this one is something as saying 9 squared minus 7 squared, right? Having gotten this, I can now use my difference of two square method to solve this. Now pick one 9 minus 7, then plus. Pick another 9, then plus the other 7. 9 minus 7 will give me what? 2. 9 plus 7 will give me what? 16. Now multiply this. 2 times 16, everything will give me what? 32. So my final answer here is 32. You can see how fast this method is, rather than just going through that long process of multiplying and then subtracting. Now, having understood or understanding this by using difference of two square rules, that is the difference of two square method, give it a try and let me see how far you go about it. Thank you.